Okay, we have a Romy Bridgeport 13x40 engine lathe, model Tormax 13-5, serial number 002-084422-301. Machine was new in 1999. We're going to run it for you. Machine has inch and metric threading capability, a spindle that goes from 50 to 2500 RPM. That's a foot brake. Has a forward and reverse. It has a 8-inch 3-jaw chuck, an 8-inch 4-jaw chuck, an Accurite digital readout, a steady rest, an Alloris tool post, quick change tool post, 5C collar closer, live center, drill chuck. This machine's got a lot of toys. Okay, forward and reverse. Going faster, yep. All right, you engage the half nut with threading. It's going to switch from the lead screw to the feed. It's feeding, you can also see it on the DRO. Cross feed. Compound. That's your tail stock, and again it's the live center in the tail stock, but we also have a drill chuck. Foot brake. Machine also has a coolant system, forward and reverse. Hey, I think you've seen it. Thank you for watching our video.